Now that we've covered content creation, let's take a moment to wrap up everything you've learned in this chapter. We started by breaking down the major social media platforms, understanding how each one serves a different purpose for your business. Whether it's Facebook for building communities, Instagram for showcasing visual stories, or TikTok for going viral, choosing the right platform can make or break your social media strategy. Next, we discussed the importance of building a strong social media strategy. It's not just about posting, it's about having clear goals, knowing your audience, and staying consistent with a content calendar. This ensures that your efforts are focused, measurable, and aligned with your business objectives. Finally, we explored content creation, how to create posts that engage, entertain, and inform your audience. Whether you're using storytelling to connect emotionally or using interactive elements to drive engagement, your content is the heart of your social media presence. As you move forward, remember this: social media is a conversation. It's not just a platform for broadcasting your message. It's a space to build relationships. The brands that succeed are not just the ones with the best visuals or the largest followings. They're the ones that engage with their audience, adapt to feedback, and consistently provide value. So take everything we've covered in this chapter and turn it into real action. The key is consistency and authenticity. Your audience wants to connect with the real human side of your brand. And when you show up as your authentic self, that's when the magic happens. It's been a pleasure guiding you through this chapter on growing your brand with social media. Now I'm handing it back to Humza, the CEO and founder of Social Awaken, to continue guiding you through the rest of this course. Thank you for being part of this journey with me, and I wish you all the best in your social media efforts. You've got this. Take care and see you out there on social media.